What the fuck? You're an idiot, guys.
Huh?
You're an idiot. What the fuck did you stand on? Come on, run.
No,
To the beach, to the beach. Go. Check out that sexy ass.
Did you just say about that sexy ass?
Yeah. Sort of.
This is a little silhouette on the hill.
Bear in mind, he's actually naked, ladies and gentlemen. I've got my cock out.
What?
His finger.
All right. Damn.
That's a stand.
Okay, go off the video
No.
and take a picture.